right, what we've got here is the new 50-liter camping box from Open Road, and it actually doesn't come with this MOLLE panel, but how cool is this? They sent us the MOLLE panel extra, and we wanted to try it out, and it was a little weird kind of getting it in there, but once it's in there snug, and you can definitely put stuff on here and mount stuff to it. And I'm really brainstorming as to what we're going to be able to put on here. Maybe we'll move our utensils or something onto here, like get a little pouch or something that we can connect to there or something. But right now we are using this as our kitchen box, and our stove and everything that you see right here on the truck bed, all this stuff right here all fits inside this box. And right now it looks like Kayla is making some hot chocolate. This thing is pretty good quality. It's actually super thick, and at first I was so confused as to like why it was so thick, but I think that it might double as like a makeshift cooler as well. It does have a rubber gasket, so it's at least airtight. It does have a warning to not put your baby in here, so please don't do that. And on the side, we've got a little drain plug right through here, and you can just undo that, and if there's water in the bottom of it or whatever, drain it out pretty easily. So that's super handy. So that's what makes me think that you could double this as a cooler. And we've seen these little slots before. Sometimes you can put bottle openers and stuff inside here, but they put a lot of design thought into the way this box is too. I mean, you can see it's got these little slots for straps to go across. You can stack them if you get more than one of these. It is super nice. It's got a lot of tie down little angles and stuff to it. And these latches are like, these things are super robust. These things are crazy. And you can lock them. Let us know what you guys think about the box, and also what's the ideal size for you when you think about a camping box, and also what are you using your camping boxes for? Let us know in the description down below.